Okay, if you're in designs and you're trying to change the numbers here on this picture, the reason you can't change them is because this is actually generated from our multiple listing service. And the way that you can change this to the neighborhood or the area that you're looking for is if you come over to the tab on the far left-hand side of the screen, where I'm hovering over now, you'll see a KWLS button. If you click that KWLS button and then you click snapshots, right up here says listing and snapshots, click the snapshot button and then type in the neighborhood name, or you can search by postal code, whichever you're looking for there. Let me see if I can get one to pull up. The more specific you are, the easier this list will be. Let's see. Try this one. 37604 in that area. Okay. Okay, here's Johnson City, Tennessee. If I click that, it's then going to expand and it's going to give me those same images with the correct numbers in it. So then if I click on the design so that the snap is highlighted and I hover over the snap for the area that I want, you'll notice you get these three icons. This is an add, this is a replace, and this is a use as a background. I obviously just want to replace what's already there, so I'm going to click that, and then those numbers will be updated as well as the area for you. But that, you can't manipulate the numbers, you can only pull over the snaps that are generated for our area in the MLS. I hope this has helped, and if you have any more questions, please let me know.